Everybody, welcome back to my brand new video. In this video I gonna show that how to make public profile on your Snapchat app. So guys, if you are new in my video, so first of all you subscribe my YouTube channel and also like, comment in my video. So guys, let's start our video without wasting our time. First of all, you open your Snapchat app. After that, when you open your Snapchat app, you see that here is no option of public profile. So what you have to do, you simply open this setting option. Open this, click on the setting option, you simply scroll down, and what you have to do here, you will see the option of scroll down, and what you have to do, you can see the option of contact me. So simply type on this contact me and choose the option of first everyone, and again go back, and here you can see the second option is view my story. So simply type on this view my story and choose the first option is everyone. When you both are everyone, you can go back again and cancel this. And what you have to do, you open your Snapchat app, go to profile. So guys, here you can see the option of public profile. Have to do, you can see the option of public profile. Simply type on this public profile, get started, create, and you can see my public profile. So guys, open this my public profile, click on this. Here you can see the so guys, my profile is created and Snapchat give my 5k subscriber. So guys, if my video is informative, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and also like, comment in my video.